Hello friends, welcome to Ultimate Education Center videos. I hope you might have liked our previous videos, and I would like to again request you, please share, like and subscribe our channel so that we may be able to provide you more and more elaborative videos on your studies. Hello friends, welcome back to UEC with the presentation of Human Reproduction Part 3. I'm Farooqsir here again to you. Now let us begin the explanation. In this Part 3, let us discuss the second process of gametogenesis, that is called oogenesis. The process of formation of mature female gametes is called oogenesis. It starts during embryonic development stage when millions of oogonia, that is gamete mother cells, are formed in each fetal ovary. The gametes mother cells start division and enter into process 1 of meiotic division and get temporarily arrested at that stage called primary oocytes. Each primary oocyte gets surrounded by a layer of granulosa cell. Then it is called the primary follicle. At puberty stage, about 60,000 to 80,000 primary follicles are left in each ovary. The primary follicle gets surrounded by more layers of granulosa cells, which are called secondary follicle, which transforms into tertiary follicle that contain fluid-filled cavity, which is called antrum. The tertiary follicle further changes into the mature follicle, which is called Graafian follicle, which rupture to release secondary oocytes, that is ovum, from the ovary by the process of ovulation. The oogenesis is very much explained by these two diagrams which are just before you. The oogonium cell, right? It goes under the mitosis division and it gives rise to the daughter oogonium, that is primary oocyte. It again undergoes meiosis, first type of division, and it gives rise to secondary oocytes. Secondary oocyte again undergoes meiosis 2 type of division, meiosis second, that is called, and then it gives rise to an ovum which contains 3 chromosomes. Now let us discuss the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle consists of following 4 phases. First one is menstrual phase, second is follicular phase, third is ovulatory phase, and the last one is luteal phase. The first we discuss menstrual phase. It is a 28 days menstrual cycle. The menses takes place on cycle on 3rd and 5th day. The production of LH hormone from the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland is reduced. The withdrawal of this hormone causes degeneration of the corpus luteum, and therefore progesterone hormone production is reduced. The production of estrogen hormone is also reduced in this phase. The endometrium of uterus breaks down and menstruation begins. The cells of endometrium secretions the blood and fertilized ovum constitute the menstrual flow. The second phase is follicular phase. This phase usually includes cycle days 6 to 13 or 14 days in a 28-day cycle. The follicle stimulating hormone, that is called FSH in short, it is secreted by the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland, stimulates the ovarian follicle to secrete estrogens. The estrogen hormone stimulates the proliferation of the endometrium of the uterine wall. The endometrium becomes thicker by rapid cell multiplication, and this is accompanied by an increase in uterine glands and blood vessels. Now the third, ovulatory phase. Both LH and FSH hormone attain a peak level in the middle of the cycle, that is at about 14th of the day of the cycle. Estrogen concentration in blood increases Then rapid secretion of LH induces rupturing of graphene follicle and thereby the release of ovum. In fact, LH causes ovulation. This period, this is 14th day period, it is also called a fertile period for mother. Now, the fourth one is luteal phase. It includes cycle days 15 to 28 days. That is the last part of the cycle. Corpus luteum secretes progesterone, endometrium that thickens, then uterine glands also become secretory. Now, the hormonal control of menstrual cycle. The FSH hormone stimulates the ovarian follicles to produce estrogen hormone. LH stimulates corpus luteum to secrete progesterone hormone. Menstrual phase is caused by the increased production of estrogens. LH causes ovulation. Proliferative phase is caused by the increased production of estrogen. Secretory phase is caused by increased production of progesterone. Thank you friends for watching Ultimate Education Center. We will be back soon with the concluding part of human reproduction system, that is part 4, very shortly. Till then, have a nice day.